Welcome back to Alina's Spanish. Bienvenidos. This video is good for both intermediate and beginner learners because we are going to talk about very important infinitive constructions that will help you to make your language and expression more specific and enriched. They are very beginner-friendly because they require only the knowledge of the infinitive form. Of course, present will also be needed, but to operate with these expressions, we need no past or future tenses. So, empecemos. The first one is the easiest. We are going to talk about empezar a or comenzar. They are synonyms. Empezar a is to start doing something. For that, we need to conjugate just empezar, use a preposition a, and infinitive. For example, now I start talking. Empiezo a hablar. You start drawing. Empiezas a dibujar. As empezar is an irregular verb, let's take a look at its conjugation. Empezar, empiezo, empiezas, empieza, empezamos, empezáis, empiezan. For example, ¿a qué hora empezamos a trabajar? ¿A qué hora empiezas a estudiar? Let's go to the next one. Is soler plus infinitive, which we use to mention that we do something usually or regularly. I talked more about this construction here in my previous video, so if you would like to get more detailed explanation, you can check it out. And so, soler is also an irregular verb. Its conjugation looks like this. Suelo, sueles, suele, solemos, soléis, suelen. For example, usually I have breakfast at 9. Suelo, infinitive, desayunar a las 9. It is the same as to say normalmente o regularmente, usualmente, desayuno a las 9. It is more common, native, and simple way to say that. For example, los domingos solemos comer en mi casa. Los findes, ella suele levantarse tarde. The next one, if we start a process, we also need to finish it. Therefore, we have terminar, preposition de, and infinitive. Terminar is a regular verb, so it's easy to use. Termino, terminas, termina, terminamos, termináis, terminan. For example, yo termino de trabajar a las 5. Él termina de estudiar a las 8. Another one that I would like to talk about is volver a plus infinitive. It means to do something again, but it is more natural and more expressive way to say that. For example, Yo vuelvo a leer mi libro favorito. You can also use prefix and say releer, or you can use a construction, volver a. For example, vuelve a repetir lo mismo. Estoy cansada. Or tengo que volver a hacerlo. I need to do it again. You can also use it in discussions to give some kind of order. For example, it is very common to hear, no me vuelvas a gritar. Don't do that again. It is also a common way to use volver a. So these were very common infinitive constructions that you can use on a daily basis. And now, let's practice them in a small exercise. You need to choose which construction matches the sentence. You will see the answers in 1, 2, 3. Buen trabajo. I hope you learned something new, and if you would like to learn more about such constructions, let me know. And thank you for watching the video and hope to see you soon.